Hey everyone, I hope you're doing okay. I have a really good example here behind me of the difference in an area that got a pre-emergent and an area that did not get a pre-emergent applied in the fall. I'm here at a client's house, and you can see behind me here there's a very defined line between the area that got the pre-emergent applied and the area that did not. On the right side, it's all just dormant Bermuda, nothing coming through, no breakthrough in the weeds. And on the left side, you can see there's lots of grassy weeds coming up, lots of winter grassy weeds and broadleaf weeds and whatnot. So that's what you get. This is what you're going to get with your pre-emergent. And these are all winter weeds, and these would be prevented with the fall application, but the exact same thing applies for the spring application. The spring application that you're putting out right now is going to prevent weeds from coming up here later in the spring and into the summer months. And this is the exact same thing you're going to get later in the spring and summer. On the right, it's going to be nice, green, lush, no weeds, and on the left side, it might be green, but it's going to be full of weeds. It's going to be a different variety of weeds that they're seeing instead of Bermuda grass. So just keep that in mind. That's what you're going to get. Do you want to have a yard like the one on the right, nice and weed-free, or are you going to be the yard on the left with lots of weeds? That right now is the time to decide. You have to decide very quick because the deadline's approaching very quick. You need to get your spring pre-emergent down ASAP. So hope that helps. If you have any questions or need us to help you, give us a call. We'll be glad to help you out. Thanks.